Taking a look at things here on the visible satellite here. I talked to you in an earlier post about right here. Kind of see this twist here in northwest Indiana and northeast Illinois being an MCV, but I think we got a couple more of them. It looks like there may be another one up here in coming off Lake Michigan as well, and there may be one down here as well with this dying thunderstorm cluster down here. I think it's maybe why the SPC has increased the tornado risk in some areas for today. Definitely up here for this portion of it. I think there is a little bit better chance of some supercells up in here. There is a supercell potential throughout this 2% tornado risk area. And of course, they're out here in Kansas as well. There's another risk out there. So it's not one of those slam dunk days or anything of that nature. I wanted to show you the radar too, where I thought I kind of saw another MCV on the radar. You can see here out the Evansville radar. You see how it's how everything's kind of see it's kind of turning right up in here. So that kind of looks like that might be another MCV here. You got a lot of this rain behind it, kind of a wraparound rain like you see around a lot of low pressure centers. And then let's see, you really can't see this one up here on the radar. Can't see it around Indy as well, though we are getting some development out to the west here. And then up here is where we saw the other one. I don't know if you can see it up. Yeah, you kind of can. Kind of see how it's kind of turning right there. So, look up there. Look at that. That might be one right there, too. Maybe 4 of these guys around. So, with all these mesoscale convective vortices that are left over by thunderstorm complexes, they're like little small areas of low pressure. Sometimes that can locally increase the directional wind shear, and you can get more supercell development, which of course includes all modes of severe weather. Though I think hail will probably be the least of the least of the threats today. I think it will be more of a damaging wind. Heavy rain, a lot of flood watches are out, and some warnings will likely come out as well. And some tornadoes. Probably not a lot of tornadoes, but nevertheless, a few are possible as we go on into the evening hours, particularly up in, I'd say, this area right about here. Though I won't rule them out where some of these other MCVs are at, so maybe even like right around here, and possibly even down here. As well. Don't be surprised if we see some severe weather warnings later on this afternoon and this evening, including, like I said, damaging winds, very heavy rain, and maybe a few tornadoes. So stay tuned.